This video will demonstrate how to use EndNote's Cite While You Write toolbar to amend incorrect references in Microsoft Word. If information is appearing incorrectly in your citation or reference list, this is probably because it is incorrect in EndNote. In this example, you can see that a citation does not appear to be displaying correctly, as the author should be the full university name. In the reference list, the full name of the university is also given in the wrong format. If you try to manually change this in the text, EndNote will revert to this version when the document next updates. To update this reference, you need to go back to your EndNote library. If you are using EndNote Desktop, access your library. You can search for a relevant author or word in a title and click Search. Select the reference you want to edit. Then click in the field that needs to be updated. You can see in this reference that the organisation name has been added incorrectly. In order to display it correctly, EndNote needs the organisation to be entered in full with a comma at the very end. Add the comma and then click Save to update the record. If you are using EndNote Online, access your library and use the search box to locate the relevant reference. Enter a relevant term and click Search, then click the title of the record to access the full details. Now click the field you want to edit. Text will be displayed. Update the details, in this case by adding a comma at the end of the name, and then click Save. You can now return to Word. First, click in the citation that needs to be updated. Then access the EndNote toolbar and choose Edit and Manage Citations. If you are using EndNote Online, this will be called Edit Citations. Make sure the correct citation is highlighted, then click on the drop-down arrow next to Edit Reference. Next, select Update from My Library. Select the updated version of this reference by clicking on it, then click Insert. You will return to the previous screen. Click OK. You will now see that the reference has been updated. In this case, the author's name is displaying correctly in the text, and the version in the reference list has also been updated. You can use this method to update any citation or entry in your reference list which is not displaying correctly. If you require further help with using EndNote, you can email library@mmu.ac.uk. You can access the EndNote guide from the library homepage, where you will find further information and videos on using the software effectively.